Investigating a company director to ascertain whether the individual owns any assets of value is a common legal research task. Is it worth litigating? Is there sufficient unencumbered collateral to secure a loan? Which company within the group structure holds the property in question, and what's the value? Encompass Verify accelerates these searches. From Verify, you run a company record search at Companies House. Verify shows that Mobile Games UK Limited is a dissolved company with one current director, listed at Companies House as a person with a double-barreled name, James Wellington Smith. The case looks simple, with little opportunity to recover money. However, to investigate further, you use your right mouse button to initiate an officer search at Companies House. But Companies House has no records for a director with this double-barreled name. What if the person doesn't have a double-barreled name? You try searching for James Smith with a middle name of Wellington, and Verify finds a record at Companies House for an individual with the same date of birth as our person of interest. Bringing this person into the picture reveals a far more interesting story. Mr. Smith has a busy life as a company director. But of most interest is that you've uncovered a property at 2 Beach Mews, London W2 OEF, a very nice address. With a few clicks of the mouse, you hide details of companies not of interest to your current investigation and run a land registry search on the newly discovered property. This reveals the property has a secured creditor in the Bank of Scotland. Opening the report you have downloaded from the land registry shows that Mr. Smith purchased the property 8 years ago for £920,000. Selecting the property on the chart, you run a Zoopla valuation that shows the property to be now worth more than £1.5 million, meaning that more than £600,000 of value is potentially available for recovery in your legal case. From a starting point of what appeared a simple case with very little opportunities to recover money, you have uncovered a far more complex situation, including a property asset with recoverable value of more than £600,000. You have achieved all this in less than 10 minutes and by spending just a few pounds on search fees. To experience these benefits in your firm, contact Encompass.